In this video, I want to talk about how you can contact eToro customer support. Now, if you want to contact the support, what you want to do is head over to eToro.com, go to help and resources, and in here you should be able to find the chat assistant. Now, keep in mind that this is an AI, but you can ask the AI to speak with a real human or an agent, and then it will take you to the real person. So if you press start chatting and the AI cannot help you, then you can try and ask it to talk with a real human, and they might be able to help you even better. Now, if you're part of the eToro club, so the membership, if you're part of that, you can use WhatsApp and you'll be able to communicate directly with your account manager. So just keep that in mind, but that is basically how it works, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.